Hey there everyone, I've gotten some questions about the daily math calendar and how to fill it out. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to do that. I attempted writing out the directions and it turned out to be a long list that didn't make much sense, so I figured this would be easier. So to fill this out using today's date, which today is October 5th, 2020, we would first write today's date, which is the 5th. You would just write the number here. We are not counting days of school, so you can cross that out. Over here you would write the name of the month. So I'm going to write the abbreviation, but the expectation is the full date, or the full month, excuse me, so it's October. Yesterday was, you would just write the number of yesterday's date. So yesterday would have been the 4th. Today is the 5th. And tomorrow will be the 6th. Right here you would write the number words. So you would write 5 or 5th. I will take either. 5th is what I'm going to write. Okay, so moving down, this box in the center you would write the number of the day's date again, so 5, and use this as your base. If you were to go to the left, one less, it's just 5 minus 1, which is 4. One more, 5 plus 1 is 6. 10 less. Now here is where it gets tricky. I would not expect them to know negative numbers. So this is where you pull out a calendar and you look, and if you count back 10 days, you would come to September 25th. So I'm going to write 25 here. And then 10 more is obviously 15. Okay. So for place value, we are looking at the number 5. We have nothing in the hundreds place, so we have 0. We have nothing in the tens place, so we have another 0. But we have 5 ones in the number 5. So we're going to write 5 because we do not have more than 10, so we are only dealing with ones, and that would be 5. Okay, so in extended form, you just repeat these numbers, and essentially it's saying 0 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 5 ones equals our number of the day's date. And then you just, here I will accept anything that equals 5. So you can break it up into anything you want. It could be 2 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 4 plus 1. I'll take anything like that. Over here you write the coins that can equal 5, so in this case it would be 5 pennies, and honestly it's easier with a pen or pencil, but on this you can even write 5 pennies, or you could write 1 nickel, which I'm not going to do, but you get my point. And then even or odd, 5 is an odd number, so we're going to circle that, and then you're done. So I hope that clears up some questions. I'm sorry that it's a little confusing. Let me know if there's anything more I can do for you guys. Thanks for listening.